What an amazing 3 days. We had the opportunity to think about our connection with nature and with water, as well as thinking about how we create a more resilient economy.
If Mother Nature has spent billions of years coming up with a solution, we need to protect the ability of that solution to do its work.
Something that's really stuck with me is our opportunity to really give back to nature. It is not a one-sided relationship. What can we do as individuals, businesses, and communities to give to our natural environment and not just take?
Let's be brave and let's remember, we are not a part from nature, we are a part of nature.
Challenges like the climate crisis, nature loss, and water insecurity can cause real feelings of despair. And yet, this community is what gives me hope that we can create a more regenerative future.
We need to find a destination for people to transition to, not just something that they need to be afraid of.
We can't really address conflict in a healthy way if we don't even have a relationship with each other. Can we see each other as more than just this specific title or role or issue and just really understand the humanity?
I want to thank our Globe community. It is because of the leaders and change makers like you that we are able to come together to drive action for a more resilient, regenerative, net zero future.